Welcome to the Tech channel. Today we look at Apple's Reality Pro headset. Apple's first mixed reality headset, the Reality Pro, is said to be releasing this year and has been generating a lot of buzz. In this video, we'll be discussing all the information that's been revealed so far about this highly anticipated device. The Reality Pro will have both AR and VR modes. You'll be able to switch between the two with on-headset controls, just like with Microsoft HoloLens. AR mode will overlay virtual objects on the real world. VR mode will completely cut you off from the outside world and immerse you in a virtual one. The Reality Pro will run on XROS, a software that's said to have an interface that's similar to iOS and iPadOS. The home screen will be a standard grid of app icons, with popular apps like Safari, Apple Music, and podcasts available for use on the headset. Third-party apps will also be available from a separate app store. Unlike other VR headsets, the Reality Pro won't require a separate controller. Instead, inputs will be handled through hand gestures or a connected device like an iPhone or Mac. The headset will also have advanced eye tracking, so you can select on-screen elements simply by focusing on them. The Reality Pro will have built-in speakers, but Apple may recommend using AirPods for an optimal listening experience. It'll also have the option for prescription lenses and external power packs. One battery pack is said to provide up to 2 hours of runtime, which is similar in size to two iPhone 14 Pro Max devices placed on top of each other. Apple is collaborating with media giants like Disney to bring content to the Reality Pro. Apple TV Plus shows will be ported to the AR device so that users can view them on large virtual screens. The headset is also said to have extensive video calling features, with full body and face reconstruction in the virtual realm. Once the Reality Pro becomes available, Apple plans to offer public hands-on demonstrations in its stores. The exact pricing is unknown, but it's expected to be close to $3,000. That's all we know so far about the Apple Reality Pro mixed reality headset. With its advanced features, we can't wait to get our hands on it and see what it's capable of. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.